In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication (TFA), also known as multi-factor authentication (MFA) in your Zoho Mail account. While MFA adds an extra layer of security to protect your account, there are times you might need to temporarily remove it or set up a new authentication method. Start by signing into your Zoho account. Open your browser and go to Accounts, zoho.com, then enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard of your account settings. On the left-hand side, locate the navigation panel. Click on Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) to open the settings page. Here you'll see a section called MFA Modes, which lists all the current methods enabled for your account, like app verification, SMS, or email. To disable MFA, go to each authentication method listed and select the option to delete or remove it. Be cautious. Once removed, your account will rely solely on your password, so make sure it's strong and unique. After removing all MFA methods, your account will no longer have that extra layer of protection. If you ever want to re-enable MFA, simply revisit this section and follow the prompts to set up a new method. And that's it! You've successfully disabled MFA in Zoho Mail. Remember, keeping your password strong is crucial once MFA is removed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zoho Mail tutorials and account tips.